Welcome to Jerry's Bike Checks, where motorized bikes are a way of life. So it's just before 12 o'clock right now. I'm 5 miles from Darlington, Florida on Highway 2. I'm going to stop here, take a little break, stretch out my legs, do a safety meeting, pull out the earplugs. Oh, no buzzing. A little bit of a we got a little bit of a yard sale going on over there on the middle of the on 331 here, or whatever road that is. 83. Highway 83. Three states, 2 time zones, 300 miles. Let's get her done. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I'm wearing, brought my helmet with me today. I don't know. I didn't want to get, I don't want my fucking hat blow off, man. I want my bill. So I wear the helmet just to keep my hat on. I wish they were selling boiled peanuts over there or something. I'd go over there and buy me something, but I don't need no jack shit. All right. Stick with it. I'm going to keep on going, and I'll keep on posting. We'll see if they make it up online.